Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of High on Rugs. Today we're going to be making a Skyrim rug of the dragon logo from the game. It's going to be a rug fit for a Jarl. High quality and durable so you cannot fuss-rodah it anywhere. So as always we're going to start with our tufting cloth. This time I went ahead and made a new custom frame so I wouldn't be wasteful with the scraps of my tufting cloth. The scraps that I have left won't fit my current 3 foot by 3 foot frame, so I built one that is about 2.5 feet by 4.5 feet. Basically slightly skinnier and much taller. And there I am just stretching it around the frame till it's nice and tight. And I'm showing that I used to do a lot of little wood burning projects. That was my thing for a while. Really enjoyed it, and I made this nice little Skyrim emblem. And that's what we're going to be turning into a rug. And unfortunately it's not as easy as just tossing it right at it. We gotta get out the projector, gotta get out the laptop, and we gotta project our image onto our sheet. And from that point I'm taking my Sharpie and I'm just doodling it out. Starting around the border. And the image that I found was kind of cut off at the bottom and the top, so using a board there to get nice straight lines for the top. And I drew a line also across the top because at first I wasn't sure if I was just going to flatten the top or make it into a diamond shape, but in the end I thought the diamond shape would work very well, so I went with that. So yeah, making my way around the wing, doing the tail, the head. And once I turn the lights on, you see we have a nice looking dragon. And now it's time to get started. Got my black yarn and we're working out the border. So I think I'll leave you guys here for now so you can enjoy the lovely sounds of tufting. And that's the final line of the white, and that's the entire tufting process done. Apologies for not showing more of doing the dragon head. I lost some of that footage, which was a little bit aggravating, but it happens. So now I'm on to the gluing process. I've got my Roberts 3095 carpet adhesive and my putty knife, and I'm just going at it, just glob after glob, spreading it on till it's nice and smooth and totally saturated, and then I come back with my wet hand and really get it into every single groove. This method helps it so that when it dries, every single strand has a good amount of glue on it, and not that many fibers will pull out of the rug later. Everything will be glued down nicely. So, this is about 2 days later. I left it to dry for a while, and I'm removing it from the frame and slapping it down onto the floor. And now I'm just gonna cut away a lot of the excess, leaving about a 3-inch border all the way around, which is gonna give me enough to fold it over, glue it down, and get the nice edge all the way around. And now you can see I'm just clipping every few inches into little sections, busting out the hot glue gun, the hot glue, and going piece by piece. A little bit of hot glue, fold it over, rolling the edge slightly so it's got the nice little waterfall effect. And I've said this before, but this is the worst part of the process. I really hate this part, but you know, whatever you like to do, there's always part of it that's not as fun as other parts. So that's just this part for me. But once that's done, I'm getting my anti-slip backing material, laying that out, and slapping the rug down on that as well. And there I go, doing a rough cut all the way around, getting the right shape, and it's time to glue it on. A little bit of spray adhesive on the back, a little bit of spray adhesive on the backing material, put it down, spread it out. And then same thing on the other side, spray, spray, press, press harder. And then it's just a matter of trimming off the excess and smoothing up those lines so the whole back looks beautiful and smooth and professional. And all that's left to do is give it a nice shaving. Just going row by row, taking off a lot of material this time because I really packed a lot of yarn in there, so I wanted to make sure everything looks nice and even and the lines look crisp, and I was really happy with how this one came out. Let me know what you think, but this is, for me, I think is my favorite one I've done so far. Once the shaving is complete, the rug is finished.
Hey, you're finally awake. You're that high on rugs guy. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush. Same as us. And that thief over there.
Doesn't matter now, Sylvan awaits. Now show me that rug.
So there it is, completed in all its glory, the Skyrim emblem or logo, whatever you want to call it. I really like this one. I like the contrast of the white and the black. I like the diamond shape. It came out very thick. It feels good under your feet. Everything just went really well this time. So I'm very happy to show you all this one. And I also wanted to say thank you all so much for 200 subscribers. I'm very happy that this small community is growing, and I hope we continue growing. So I thank you all for joining me on this journey as I continue to get a little better each time at making rugs. And I thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.